Hello my beautiful people on the internet. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Windows computer look better, and this is not about customizing your Windows to the highest degree. We are going to go with the cool, safest and the best way on how to take your Windows to the next level. So what we are going to do is to make our Windows look a bit sleek and more modernized than the actual Windows 11 we are using. So as you can see, we are giving our desktop a clean modern look with Windows 12 style start menu here, which is not something big and it's very easy to set up. So without further ado, let's get started into the video. Alright, the first thing I recommend you do is to change your Windows theme to dark mode, which will make your eyes comfortable for this customization. So once we are done with this, the first tool we are going to use is called WinHack. WinHack is a Windows utility tool which is used to customize some certain part of Windows, and I recommend you go to their official website, which is winhawk.net, and just click on download to download. Once you have downloaded the WinHawk, you can just double click on it to start the installation setup. So I'll click on OK, and here click on next to install. Now once WinHawk is installed, just click on finish to open WinHawk. Once WinHawk is open, it's going to load all the modes that are available for the Windows, and now you can just click on explore, and here the first thing we are going to customize is our Windows start menu, which we are going to change it from this boring Windows style look to more appealing one, which looks like the upcoming Windows 12. So to do that, just click on Windows 11 start menu styler details, and here what you have to do is to click on install, and here just accept risk and install, which doesn't have any risk. So whilst it's installing, I have provided some mode test file in the description below. I recommend you open it up on your desktop, and here it contains some tests. So what I recommend you do is to look through the test, and you are going to see the first highlight is the Windows 11 start menu styler, which ends here, and the second one starts with the Windows taskbar styler. So now what I recommend you do is to copy only the Windows 11 styler code, which will end here, and just right click on it and copy. Once you've copied it, you can just head back to your WinHawk, and here click on advanced, scroll down, and within this bar there are some few code over here. I recommend you delete all and now paste the one you copied. So once you've pasted it, click on save, and you are going to see that your Windows start menu is going to change to this beautiful start menu, and it's very nice. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on explore again, and here the next thing we are going to customize is our Windows taskbar. So click on the Windows 11 taskbar styler details, and here also click on install, accept, and here let's go back to our test file and go to the Windows taskbar styler tab, and I'll copy all this one. So I'll just right click on it and click on copy to copy the test file, and go back to my WinHawk. So here I also click on advanced and clear all the code which is already here and paste mine. So once I've pasted it, I'll click on save, and you are going to see it has loaded to this beautiful simple one, which looks more appealing than the default one. So there are some few things you can change over here. I recommend you go here and draw it down to increase the length. And here you can see opacity down here, and with this opacity you can increase the opacity of your Windows taskbar, and when I reduce it to 0.1, you are going to see it has changed to this glass morphism style, but I recommend to go with something more like 6 and save to give my Windows a sleek modern one like this one. So the last thing we are going to do here is to go back to explore again, and next you are going to see Windows height and icons. Click on details, and here click on install. So once it's done, you can just head to your advanced tab, and here you are going to see some short text over here. The first one is the icon size, which take in charge of the icon sizes on our taskbar, and the second one is the taskbar height, which is going to be the height of our taskbar. So I want to give my taskbar a bit of height, so I'll just change the 52 to 62 and click on save to see. Now you can see that my Windows taskbar has been a bit taller, which is nice. And the next thing I'm going to do is to change the taskbar bottom width, which is the length of this taskbar, to 54, which is going to make it a bit taller. So once I've changed it, they are telling me to restart my Explorer, so I'll just click on yes to restart. So once it's done restarting, I'll just click on the close button to close WinHawk and my test file, and I can delete them now. The next thing we are going to do is to give our Windows computer a sleek clock on our Windows desktop to make it look nice. So to do that, we are going to use Remitter. So I'll double click on Remitter and install Remitter on my computer. Once the installation is done, click on finish, and here what you can do is to right click on each of them and unload the default skin of Remitter. Once you are done unloading them, you can just delete the Remitter file. And the clock star skin we are going to use is called Rubik Remitter theme, which is looking more sleek and it's beautiful. So this is how it looks like, and I recommend you go to the link I've pasted in the description below and click on download to download it. Once you have downloaded this theme, just double click on it to install. Once the installation is done, you are going to see these beautiful widgets on your Windows, which looks a bit tense now. So what I recommend you do is to close this settings app, and here go to your icon trace and right click on Remitter and click on manage. Here you can click on the Rubik to open the files inside the Rubik theme. So what we are going to do here is to unload the default ones which comes below here, which I'm not really interested in. But if you are really interested in anyone, you can just skip it. So to remove the one I don't like, I'll just click on each of them and click on the main file and click on unload. So I'm going to do so for the rest below and unload them to go with only the clock. Alright, now I have unloaded all the skins and I can just close my Remitter panel and also delete this file. Now we have this clock. I recommend you download this wallpaper which looks a bit sleek, or you can go with any wallpaper you like and just set it as your background wallpaper. So I'm going to set this one as my background wallpaper. Look at that. Wow, this is beautiful. So once I have this, I can just clear it up and you are going to see our Windows is looking cooler and nicer now. The last and foremost thing we are going to do is to give our Windows Explorer a glass-like look, which is going to take it to the next level. So to do that, I've provided a link to Explorer Blur, which you can open the zip file up, and what you have to do is to drag your release file to your documents folder. So I'll drag it here and I've already pasted it there, that's why it's causing this. So I'll just click on replace the files destination and head to my documents, and here I'll double click on the release folder, and what we are going to do is to double click on the register, and here it will ask you to allow admin privilege and click on OK to install. Once the installation is done, you can just close everything up and you're going to see that when you open your Windows Explorer again, it's looking a bit glassy and beautiful. So with everything set now, the last thing I recommend you do is to right click anywhere on your desktop and hide your desktop icons. Once you've hidden them, then you are good to go. So this is the modern style Windows start menu and it looks beautiful, and with that you also have this beautiful Windows Explorer which you already know exists, and now you have this beautiful taskbar which gives your Windows a sleek modern look with the clock. So this is it for the video. If you really like this video, I recommend you subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, don't forget to comment it below and I'll be happy to reply you back. Thank you for watching. Bye.